I don't know if you can see behind me, but my neighbors to the south here got a real good select cut on their land. It sounds like they're doing the whole thing. So in a year or two, this is going to grow up real thick, and it's going to bring in a lot of deer. And we're going to do the same thing, but in portions to our land over here. I already talked to the forester and a logger to do this. But this is plans for our land also. But us doing it and working together with other neighbors, because there's more doing it to the south yet, is going to bring in a lot of deer to this area, and we need it. We do have another piece of land we could hunt. So a lot of deer there. We can get a lot of shots. My son shot a deer here a few weeks ago, but we really want to pull in more deer. When we first got this land, we focused on food plots. We got food onto our land, and this last summer, my son was really big with football, had a big year for football with colleges and stuff, which I wouldn't trade for the world, but we didn't really get the stuff done we wanted to this year. So this year, we're going to focus all on cover. We got to fix a couple things on food plots, but we got the food, and better food plot seed, like I said, but we're going to focus way more on cover. Don't overlook cover. It's extremely important, especially in an area like this. There's a lot of poaching that happens in this area. That sucks. Don't know why people have to do that, but deer need more cover. We want them to come over up this way. So stay tuned, and we're going to be showing the difference we make with the forestry, with everything else. I'm not a huge fan of hinge cutting. There's certain places I do hinge cutting, but I don't want to come in here and do a lot of it. There are certain areas where I think it's good to, but this is going to be our future, so stay tuned. This year, other than the one food plot we had, I guess they got bad food plot seed, and a bunch of ryegrass came in and really buried everything else, and nothing else grew. Everything else, the field we tried had a lot of deer in it. Ate up a lot of soybeans. We want to try something else next year. We had a lot of success with bringing deer in, but like I said, the day that they came in and started working on that land, everything was nocturnal, noises they weren't used to, a lot of noise. They did a lot of work. Like I said, it's the good with the bad. I can't control what my neighbors do. It would have been nicer a different time of year, but at the same time, I'm glad they're doing it. It's going to really help the future of all the land over here. So I'm not going to say there's nothing bad about that, but it did shut us down for this year bad. It was amazing how badly it did shut us down. So if you're going to do your land, it's nice that I'm hoping to get mine done when they come to mine is right after season and into that winter is what I'm hoping. I know it's not going to be when I want it to be, but I do have another piece of land I can hunt, which is good, and that's going to be land that we're going to be doing videos on, with putting food plots on. We're really excited for that, because right there, it's the whole opposite of this. This had no cover or food. We put the food in. That one has no internal food. It has fields over where it's at now. But we need them to move when we're out there, not at night. So out there's plenty of cover. There's no way you can see in there. They moved. When I was out there during the best part of the rut, I seen deer the entire time. They were moving around, and it was fun. But we got to get food in there, because about a week before hunting season started, they banned baiting there. So on to next year, and we'll be going through everything that we want to do this winter, making sure we're doing it right, and on to next year, so stay tuned.